What is up, guys? It's me again today, and so today we're back on NBA, and I bought this pack and I didn't open it yet, so I figured I'd open it with y'all, and then my best one I'd play a quick play with him. So okay, let's go open it. Let's see the first one. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Oh yeah, someone from my team. Let's go. Let's go to my team. Which one would it be in? Right here. No, I'm just gonna leave that. So, I have to go figure out which one this was in. Right there it is. So, okay. Alright, well, I guess we'll have to go play with him and see how he does. I'm gonna play this. Warriors against Warriors. Here we go. Ram them up, boy. Let's go. No. Yeah! Oh, guys, come on. I might have lost, but still, we did pretty good. Well, anyway, guys, I'll have another one of these later on. And so, I guess we'll go ahead and end the video here. And, like I said, like and subscribe. I'll say that in every video, I know. Because I want you to like and subscribe. And, also, by the way, tomorrow I'll probably do a video on a different game. But I'm thinking about like for like a couple weeks, or well, at least for the rest of this week that's coming up. I'm thinking about it. I'll think about it tonight, and thinking about the rest of this week doing this game, but I might just do different games. So I'll see you later on. And by the way, I hope you like the music, and see you. I'm out.